In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign multiple to-dos in Basecamp. If you've ever needed to quickly assign a bunch of tasks to someone in Basecamp instead of doing it one by one, this walkthrough is going to save you a lot of time and clicks. First, start by opening Basecamp and navigating to the project that contains the tasks you want to work with. Once you're inside that project, look for the to-do list. This might be under a section like To-Dos or a specific list name you've already created. Go ahead and open that list so you can see all the individual to-dos laid out. Now we're going to select multiple to-dos at once. To begin, hold down the Command key if you're on a Mac, or the Control key if you're on Windows. While you're holding that key, click the little hamburger menu icon, that's the 3 horizontal lines, or to the left of each to-do you want to select. Each one you click will be added to your selection. This is perfect when you need to pick and choose tasks that aren't right next to each other. If you want to select a whole group of tasks that are in a row, there's an even faster option. Click the hamburger icon on the first to-do in the group, then hold down the Shift key, and click the hamburger icon on the last to-do in that range. Basecamp will automatically select everything between those two, which is great when you're assigning a whole phase or section of work. Once you've selected your to-dos, a menu will appear with several options. In this menu, you'll see actions like Assign X to-dos, Do On, or Archive them. The exact number will change depending on how many tasks you selected. This menu is your control center for bulk changes, so make sure you've got the right items highlighted before you move on. To assign these tasks to someone, click on Assign X to-dos. A drop-down menu will appear with the list of people on your project. Choose the person you want to be responsible for these tasks. You can scroll or type to quickly find the right user if your team list is long. After you select the person, Basecamp will update all of the selected to-dos so they're assigned to that user. You should now see their name listed on each of those tasks. At this point, you're done. Your multiple to-dos have been successfully assigned in one go, and you've streamlined your task management in Basecamp.